tonight. They will hear it. You know, we enter the club. I saw they like this. I go, they find you go. Oh, my goodness. Hmm. 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 And huh. You don't see me. This sleep now because follow me, oh, follow me. Ha. I hope say my husband no go change my chair. I don't agree. I go drag him for throat. I hope, because the way I'm looking at this man can just say, sweetheart, let's not go to the club again. Let's change plan. Now lie, no go work for this makeup. Why I don't take my time? They do like this. No go work. Lie. We must go. Ha. We go. In fact, na VIP section for that club. Now we go sleep. Now we go sit down. Hey, oh baby. Since I'm just, oh God, is this me? Oh darling. Hey, my mom and I don't blow today. I have blow. Praise the Lord, I've blow. All these people that I'm seeing here, my mom and I, good evening, ma, your girl, Loya. I'm greeting. To everyone that have joined this live stream, oh God bless you guys. God bless you all for taking out your time. See me now. Oh, mama, I love you. Mwah. Thank you for your support. Mwah. Thank you plenty. Are you guys seeing me? Am I looking like a mother? No, I'm looking like a baby. See right now. Oh, see me now. Oh, see me. Hey, see, I need to suck belly. Hello. Hi. Should I pack my... So guys, I hope you enjoyed this live stream. I'm just thinking of what I can do to this hair so that the baby girl vibe will be complete. So guys, if you are just joining this live stream, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video. Hey, share this video. Thank you for watching this video till now. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah. This red lip is dedicated to you all, guys. A kiss from me to you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. God bless you. I appreciate. I'm just looking for the perfect way to style this hair to club. As you already know, the title of this video is Get Ready With Me Full Face Makeup Tutorial, because I'm going to the club tonight with my husband. So I cannot go out with a natural face so that I'm not looking like a mommy. No way. Today we glow. Guys, what do you think? So guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Like I said, if you're a content creator, this is something you can look out for. It's called a reflector. It helps your video to be clearer. It helps your skin to glow even when you're on your natural face. You can see how the light is bouncing on my face. My skin is glowing. Okay, thank you guys. Sonia, thank you. Estelle family, thank you. Peculiar, my love, thank you so much. This is how I'll be smiling when I enter the club today, as they say, hello ma. Anything for your girl. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all. Thank you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. I love you. God bless you. Thank you for sharing my video. Mom and I, God bless you always. Peculiar, you know you're a sister for life. Mwah, shop kiss. Thank you everyone that been watching this video. Thank you for everyone that watched till now. God bless you. Do have a lovely evening, and I will say I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy, be positive, smile often, and bye guys. Oh, I love you more. Bye, darling. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, everyone, for coming.